Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we are diving into a topic that is often overlooked in discussions about artificial intelligence, the risks and the ethical concerns it brings. AI is shaping the future, but like any powerful tool, it can be misused. From job automation to deepfakes and even AI driven warfare, there are serious issues we need to consider. So let's take a closer look at the dark side of AI and what it means for our society. Many of you might be thinking about your future careers, and this is an important issue to understand. AI is already replacing human jobs in several industries. We have seen robots working in factories, AI powered customer support, and even code being written by AI. The question is, will AI create more opportunities than it take away? Some jobs will evolve, requiring new skills, but others may disappear entirely. This is why adaptability and continuous learning will be the key to staying ahead in this AI driven world. So, next, let's talk about privacy. Privacy is a fundamental right, but AI is changing that. Governments and corporations now have the ability to track individuals in ways never seen before. In some cities, AI powered cameras scan faces in real time, tracking movements without consent. Imagine walking down the street and being identified instantly. While this technology can help in crime prevention, it also poses serious risks to personal freedom. If not regulated properly, AI surveillance could lead to a future where privacy is a luxury rather than a right. How do we know what's real anymore? With AI generated deepfakes, it's becoming harder to separate truth from fiction. Imagine a world where politicians can be made to say things they never said, or where someone's face and voice can be stolen for scams. This technology, while fascinating, is dangerous in the wrong hands. That's why critical thinking and media literacy are becoming more important than ever. AI is often seen as objective, but it's only fair as the data it learns from. If an AI system is trained on biased data, it will make biased decisions. For example, AI hiring tools have been found to discriminate against women and minorities, and predictive policing algorithms have unfairly targeted certain communities. AI should help us eliminate bias, but in reality, it often reflects the same problems that exist in human decision making. The key challenge is ensuring AI is developed and used responsibly. One of the scariest applications of AI is in military technology. We have now AI powered drones and autonomous weapons that can identify and eliminate targets without human involvement. The ethical concern here is massive. Who is responsible if an AI weapon makes a mistake? And what's happened if these technologies fall into the wrong hands? There is already talk of an AI arms race where countries compete to develop the most powerful AI weapons. If left unchecked, this could lead to devastating consequences. Science fiction has long warned us about AI taking over, but it could actually happen. Some experts believe that once AI surpasses human intelligence, it may develop its own goals, ones that don't necessarily align with ours. Imagine an AI so advanced that it no longer needs human input to function. What if its objectives lead to unintended consequences? While this scenario is still theoretical, it raises an important question. How do we ensure that AI remains under human control? AI is neither good nor bad. It's how we use it that matters. It has the potential to transform industries, solve major problems, and improve lives. But if not handled responsibly, it could also create serious challenges. As future engineers, researchers, and policymakers, it's up to us to ensure AI is developed and used in a way that benefits everyone. The future of AI is in our hands. Thank you for watching. If you found this discussion valuable, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And what do you think is the biggest risk AI poses? So stay curious, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.